CD for Aaron. It's called Music and Alphabet. And when he grow up, he remember the alphabet.
Well, my battery's dying. Got about probably a minute left of video recording, and that's it.
I had this piece of junk on charge like 3 times today.
Millie, look at the camera. Baby girl.
Millie. Millie. Oh, yes.
Hey.
Millie.
She's loving that toy.
There we go.
It's like she knew you were the paparazzi. She looked right up at you like, here, take your snapshot. Okay, you're done.
Here, I'll send this one to you guys.
You can't eat, Millie, you can't eat that.
No, you go home.
She's like, alright, I've had enough of the toys. Somebody pick me up. Any takers? No? Alright, back to the toys. Nobody's picking me up.
Horrible. Like the Wi-Fi is a low bar. I took myself off the Wi-Fi. And then
It's too many walls going. It's going like through 4 walls just to get to that thing.
I sent you the picture I put to you guys on a text.
Yeah, I just got it.
Grandma Alice and Grandpa Gary. My lighting's kind of horrible here.
Look at that face. Look at that face.
There's Mama.